Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we welcome you on flight 6C6334. Will take 1 hour and 20 minutes to reach Cochin. Your crew on the flight deck are Captain Vivek Khandelwal and First Officer Surya Teja. And in the cabin are Shraddha, Sanjana, Pehla, and Ahmed Alkai, your lead cabin crew member. Members of the crew today speak English and Hindi. We are truly elated to have you on board with us today, and because your well-being is our highest priority. Our aircrafts are thoroughly sanitized before every flight. Given the current health situation, we request you to take safety precautions for yourself and your co-passengers by keeping your face mask and face shield on at all times. Keep sanitizing your hands regularly and stay seated throughout the flight. Our cabin crew are always here for your safety. Thank you. Requesting you to take questions, please.
Hello guys, welcome back. So I'm seated in the flight, much excited to fly from Hyderabad to Kochi. So you are listening to the air hostess, so we are familiar with them right now and they will be serving us. This flight is very few passengers, so it's very good, enjoyable journey hopefully. And this is an Airbus. The earlier one was an ATR, which was very congested one. So let's see. Looking for my seat. I think it's in the last row. There are two categories of seats you can see here, XL and the normal one. XL is much bigger, so you have enough leg space and all. Comfortable level is good, but it is costlier. So we're on the final leg of the journey, starting from Hyderabad to Kochi. So this is, we'll be reaching within 1.5 hours. So the flight is about to take off. So from there, I think we need to go for the rapid antigen test because I haven't taken with me the RT-PCR negative certificate. So let's see what will be required there. For those who haven't seen a washroom in an airplane, here it is. It's very small, hardly a person can stand here. And the flush is very noisy, so first time users get frightened. So this is the windshield which is provided by the airline. So this is mandatory right now with a mask and a pouch of sanitizer. Here the leg space is far much better than the previous. It's cool. It's even inside window.
के दौरान कुर्सी की पेटी बांधे रखें। कैबिन में हवा का दबाव कम होने पर ऑक्सीजन मास्क आपकी कुर्सी के ऊपर लगे पैनल से अपने आप नीचे आ जाएंगे। आप अपनी कुर्सी पर बैठे रहें और ऑक्सीजन का प्रवाह शुरू करने के लिए ऐसे अपनी ओर खींचें और नाक और मुंह ढककर सांस लेते रहें। ऑक्सीजन मास्क पहनने से पहले अपना फेस मास्क जरूर उतार लें और दूसरों की सहायता करने से पहले अपना मास्क सही तरीके से पहन लें। इस विमान में 8 आपातकालीन द्वार हैं, 2 सामने, 2 पीछे और 4 विंग्स के ऊपर। ध्यान रखें कि निकटतम द्वार आपके पीछे भी हो सकता है। आपात स्थिति में फर्श पर लगे एस्केप पाथ मार्किंग सिस्टम की सहायता से आप निकटतम द्वार तक पहुंच सकते हैं। एक सुरक्षा अनुदेश पत्र और इंफॉर्मेशन गाइड ब्रेल में भी उपलब्ध है।
As I'm sitting just near to the exit window, so the air hostess was explaining how to open this window in case of any emergency. Wow, that's a splendid view of the Hyderabad city we are seeing here in the screen. And now the time is around 9:30, and we'll be reaching Kochi by 11:10. So it's a 1.5 hours journey. So just enjoy this flight. We have reached Kochi and the flight is about to land, and it's about to get into the runway. So that's Cochin International Airport here. So we have reached the destination. Now we have to get down and took the luggage, and we will roam about in the premise first. If there is an opportunity, we'll roam about and take some footages, and we'll see how this airport is, because I have heard from my numerous friends that this international airport is really amazing, because it has so many artistical work here. It also portrays the tradition of Kerala. The Kerala arts and architecture are displayed in this airport. So let's see, if we get a chance, we'll go and take some footages for you guys to see.
बता दीजिए, हम कोचिन के प्रदेश टर्मिनल पर पहुंच गए हैं। सीट बेल्ट का संकेत बंद होने तक कृपया आप अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांधे रखें और सामान कक्ष न खोलें। हम आपसे निवेदन करते हैं कि विमान से उतरते समय अन्य यात्रियों से पर्याप्त दूरी बनाए रखें। कृपया अपने सामने वाले रो के यात्रियों के प्रस्थान के बाद ही आप अपनी सीट से उठें। ये आपके और आपके सहयात्रियों की सुरक्षा के लिए है। आप अपनी सीट पॉकेट ठीक से देख लें, ताकि आपका कोई सामान जैसे कि आईपैड या मोबाइल फोन विमान में न रह जाए। सामान कक्ष सावधानी से खोलें और अपने सामान की पहचान कर लें। कैबिन का तापमान आरामदायक बनाए रखने के लिए आपसे निवेदन है कि द्वार खुलने के बाद कृपया विंडो शेड्स बंद कर दें और एयर वेंट्स खोल दें। अपनी यात्रा में निको को शामिल करने।
So I'm walking through the aero bridges because this is an Airbus, and most of the flights when we boarding, this facility is available, and this is very convenient for the passengers to get out of the flight and get into the terminal and to reach the luggage counter. So this is a big aero bridge, and let's go to the luggage counter and pick up my luggage, which is way I deposited that luggage in Bhopal, and straight away I receive it in Kochi, because in Hyderabad it is internally. They will hand over to the next flight internally. We don't want to take care of our luggage in Hyderabad when we are changing the connecting flight. So this is the waiting lounge for the passengers who are catching or checking in the flight. This is the thing I was talking about. These are the artistic work of Kerala, the Kerala culture, which is displayed in the walls, the wall paintings and all. So let's see, move around and see what is there. Oh wow, this is something of that Nelavulak. I don't know what to say in English. Yeah, this is mostly found in the temples. The temple walls are decorated with this kind of lightings. So this is the baggage check-in counter. So let's go and see whether the luggage is arrived or is ready to pick up or not. So one thing I should say, that this is a very well maintained airport. The ambience is very good. See how the lightings are, the decorations I mean, everything is perfect. We get an international feeling when entering this airport. The same way with Hyderabad. So this is our flight, Indigo 66334. So the luggage has started arriving here. So I have to wait for my luggage to come out. And this is the entire that area where the luggage comes. And it's awesome. The view is awesome. So if this area is like this, then how it will be in the check-in counters and check-in areas. So let's go and see that. If the security permits, then we'll go there and see that. So here it comes, my luggage, the red one, just one bag. So that's it. So let's move and see what we can see over here other than this area. So I'm at the exit gate, and we had a very beautiful view of the terminal of Cochin International Airport. And here there are some health officials checking whether you have the negative RT-PCR report. If not, you have to go for the antigen test. And if you are not willing to go for the antigen test, you have to be in 14 days of quarantine, and I will be opting for that. I will be in home quarantine for the 14 days.